Hey guys, Steven here with ProTEQ. Another workshop that we offer is called a firearms familiarization workshop. And we can do it with pistols and shotguns and rifles. Today's workshop is with pistols. And we've got a very lovely crowd over here on this mid-April day, all going through this workshop together. And as you can see, we've got an array of just various style pistols on the table. And for some of you, you may only be used to one type of pistol. You know, you may only carry your Glock 19 or your SIG P365 and you haven't really shot much else. So knowing how to pick up a random gun that you've never shot before and operate it is a very important skill to have, right guys?
Yep. Yes.
And this crew just went through this exercise and averaged about 6.5 minutes to get through these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 guns. And the exercise is, and we did it easy the first go around, each gun had its accompanying cartridge right there with the gun. Now the next level is, after everybody fumbles through it the first time with an instructor there to answer any necessary questions and to make sure they're safe, then we do a quick instructional, answer questions about the guns, then we mix all the cartridges into one container. They got to come up, dump them out, grab the gun and grab the appropriate cartridge, properly load it into the magazine. I mean, you can dump it in the chamber, but in this particular workshop, we want you to work on removing and inserting the magazine as well. Shoot the target, little orange dot over there, and then make the gun safe, set it down, and move on to the next gun. So these guys are going to give me a 3, 2, 1 go. I'm going to do a demo of the next phase, and then we're going to do our instructional off screen and finish the workshop. But this is what it'll eventually look like when you get pretty good at operating most any gun that you pick up to put in your hand. Give me the 3, 2, 1 go.
3, 2, 1, go!
And you can come up here, Andrew, get close if you want. Wonderful day on the range. Time.
247.
Huh?
247.
247. So that's it in a nutshell. You get to where the second time through you're much faster. So I expect this whole gang to be in the 2 to 3.5 minute mark this next time through, because they will have the appropriate knowledge to operate all of these various types of firearms. So that's the Firearms Familiarization Workshop. If you think you would benefit from being able to pick up, by and large, any pistol or any shotgun or any rifle, and be able to properly load and operate it without having to waste time figuring out the user interface, then maybe this workshop's for you. But guys, stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.